In this brief tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of removing sound and audio from a video using Capcut. Whether you have unwanted audio in your video clips or simply need to mute the clip entirely, we've got you covered. Stick with us until the end to master this skill. To begin, launch the Capcut app and open the video from which you want to strip the audio. Here I have a captivating video, but it comes with some unwanted audio. Let's take a listen. The first method involves selecting the video on the timeline by clicking on it. Scroll down through the tools until you locate the volume button. Click on it, and a slider will appear over your screen. This slider represents the audio level of the selected video. To remove the sound completely, simply drag the slider to the left until the value reaches 0. With the volume at 0, the audio will be effectively muted. Another approach is to once again select the video on the timeline and scroll through the tools to find the Extract Audio option. This separates the audio track from the video. You can then select the extracted audio track and tap on Delete. This action leaves you with only the video, completely muted without any sound or audio. And that's it! You've successfully removed the unwanted audio from your video clip. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you in the next tutorial.